Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Test ASP.NET C# tutorial. I am Chirag. In this video, I am going to show you how to integrate a HTML template in website in ASP.NET C# using Visual Studio. Now open the Visual Studio, just go to the file, new and create a website. In template, just select Visual Studio and middle panel, just select the Visual Studio ASP.NET empty website, and if you want to change the web location, then browse the option. And other is, if you want to change the application name, just click on the select the application name and change it to exam.in as per your project name. You change this as your project name. Now click on OK. Whenever we are creating the empty website, one page is creating, that is the web.config. So web.config is the configuration file that is used to get the configuration for said application. Now here we will see how to integrate HTML template in the website in ASP.NET C# using Visual Studio. Part 1. In part 1, we'll create, open the Visual Studio. Now click on the file, new website. We already did this two step. In pop-up, we selected template and Visual C#. Now we already selected ASP.NET empty website and we created the website. So our website first part is completed. In second part, create master page. If you are using master page for the layout, already we studied about the master page, so I'm going to create the master page. So what is master page? First thing, ASP.NET master page allow you to create a consistent layout for the pages in your application. A single master page defines the look and feel and standard behavior that you want to for all the pages or group of pages in your application. Go and create the master page. So the simple step is creating the master page. Right click on your website name, go to the add new item. Here select the master page. There is a master page. If you want to change the name of the master page, then you can change it here or leave it as a master page. There is a two checkbox are there. Place code in separate file and select master page. If you want to change the code in the separate file, means backend connection code, then you just check the this first checkbox. And this is our first master page, so we don't want to use the select master page. Click on add. Master page is created. And there is a code file we're talking about, and because of that checkbox selection, this file is .cs file is created. Now go to the next step, create home.aspx file. Step 1, right click on website name in Solution Explorer, add new item, select web form, change the name as per your need. Checkbox, click on place code in separate file if you want. Checkbox, click on select master page if you want the master page for this particular page. Now go to the Visual Studio, right click on website name, add new item. Select the web form is there, and change the name home.aspx because this is my first page, so I'm giving the name as per your requirement. You can give the name home page, dashboard, contact us, about us, term and conditions. So all page name will be defined here. Now place code in separate file. Yeah, I want the code, backend code in the separate file. So just click on this, select master page. Yeah, we already created master page dot master. So just click on this checkbox, add one more pop-up window will be open, and left side it will show the folders list. If you have multiple folders, then there is a folder list. In right side you will see there is a master page. So select the master page, click on OK. So now master page is created. Okay, and this page is created with the master page. So if you want to create the master page and then create the page using the master page, then what will be happen? The header code, the HTML code will be changed to the home.aspx. Means only once we will write the HTML code. And here we are seeing two content is there. This is the content placeholder. So this content placeholder is there. So connect content placeholder ID is head and one ID is content placeholder one. This comes from ASP.NET content placeholder ID is head. So this ID should be equal to this ID. And master page, there is one more content placeholder is this. So this content placeholder will refer to this content. So what will happen? We'll write the code in content inside the content placeholder one, and it automatically reflect to master page here. So main thing why we are using the master page. Master page we are using to get the and structure layout. Means once we are creating the layout, and it will this layout we are going to create going to help for the other pages, just like header and footer is going to the same for the other pages. So we will create the master page. Now go for the next step. Part 3. Download HTML template as per your website design requirement. Search start bootstrap template or bootstrap templates, responsive templates as per your need. And this is the free for the bootstrap. We are going to use the bootstrap for the responsive design. So I am selecting the startbootstrap.com, and when I'm going to the start bootstrap, I'm able to see one template is there, agency. So I'm going to show you the integration of agency template in our website. So there is an option free download. So when you click the free download, it will give you the one zip file, the start bootstrap dot. Now just extract. So you will get the HTML files here and some code. Assets contain the images and favicon icon, CSS, all the CSS files, Cascade style sheet, JS, JavaScript file. Then this is our index.html. Let's open into Firefox. So this is our basic design for the template. Now I am going to integrate my application as our design, HTML template design. What is the next step? Integrate the HTML template in your website. Follow the video tutorial. Copy CSS, JavaScript, image, etc. file to your website. So copy all the folders. And folders contains the CSS, JavaScript file. Copy that and paste into your website. So now you can able to see there is a assets folder, CSS folder, JavaScript folder is there now with our website. Now just open the index.html in your Visual Studio. So compare with the home page, we don't have the starting or ending of HTML tag. And if you go to the master page, there is a doc type HTML. HTML is starting here. Header tag is there. The meta description is there. Title tag. Now, as our header tag in master page, so what we'll do from the index page, we'll inside whatever the we have in header master page meta tags and Java JavaScript, CSS, copy that one and paste into your master page. Align properly. Now we have copied the meta tags, title. Before that, I'm coming back. See, there is a title tag is there. If I'm pasting there, so title tag is already here. As per the error, occurs too many times. Title occurs too many times. Means you should remove one title tag. So I'm removing the empty title tag from here. Now body, there is a id is equal page dash top. Just copy this, page dash top. Okay. Now this is a nav tag. Nav tag is navigation menu. So navigation menu, just copy the navigation menu and place in before form or after form, doesn't matter. So I'm pasted the navigation menu. Don't touch with the previous predefined content placeholder. Just like this is a predefined content placeholder and one content placeholder is here. Means we have two content placeholder. Don't touch with that. Don't remove that. Later we'll learn how to use of both the content placeholder one by one. Now we are only use content placeholder one for the replacing the content whatever we'll write in home.aspx. Go to the next. Before placing this code, I'm going to go to the last. There is a footer section. Footer will come with the all the remaining pages. So just copy the footer. This is the pop-up. So not a problem. Just footer and whatever the script file, whatever the files you need, all the pages, just copy that one. So you go to the footer again. Yeah, footer is starting here, ending here, starting footer here. Copy that one, click in before, just paste in before body tag and before body tag. And now footer is there. Now copy the bootstrap, whatever the JavaScript we have, just copy that one and paste after. Let's run the home page. So right click on the home page, save all the pages, right click on home page and view in browser. So I'm going to able to see that start bootstrap, then menu part, services, and this is the footer part. 2012, the footer part is coming. Means header and footer is working for me. Now we'll go to the middle part. Middle one after navigation, after navigation tag, come from there to before footer. So copy that code and place into. Don't place outside the content tag. Place inside the content tag that refer to content placeholder one. Means it automatically place the code in your master page in this middle part. Means header part will define in before, footer part will define after the content placeholder one, and content placeholder one will come from our home page. Now refresh the page. See, your template integration is done. Now you are able to see whatever we have in our template showing the same. Okay. So maybe some CSS won't work, sometimes some JavaScript won't work. That don't uh, change that one. Just be sure you are placing all the codes in separate way. Now next. So write the code in the master page for the layout design. Okay. So this is the our home page is created. If you want to create the one more page like just like about us. Okay. About us. So give the name of about us, place code in the separate file, add master page because we want to get the header and footer part from the master page, means we can say that layout from the master page. So select the master page and click on OK. Add. Now select the master page, click on OK. So our about us page is created. Now view in browser or run in browser for the same. So page is created. Master from the master page we are getting the header and footer part, and the middle part we can uh, take it from the index. Okay, let me say about us. Where is the about us is there. Okay, about is, let me search in index. About us part is section is there, so just select about us section, copy and paste inside the content tag. So now let me refresh the about us. Yeah, about us is created, and we have a problem with the header. We can clear, means we have a header but we have a problem with the header background, or you can say that the menu colors name. So like this we can create the other pages. Just you want to create the team page, so right click on your website name, just click on add new item, then create team. Okay, so I'm selecting the master page. Let me run this page. This is teams.spx. Header and footer is coming. Now let me search team. So team section is starting here. Hmm, let me copy. Always place the code inside the content tag, and that refers to the content placeholder one, because content placeholder refers to the master page content placeholder one. Between the head between the header part and footer part, there is a middle part we are changing. Just here. Now let me refresh the page. So our imaging team, the page is coming. So like that you can create the website using the master page and integrate the HTML Bootstrap template easily to get a good design. In later word, I will teach you what is the Bootstrap, what is the CSS, what is the HTML, and other things. Okay, I'm repeating this one again. So here we are integrating HTML template website with ASP.NET C# Visual Studio. First part, we are opening the Visual Studio, creating the website, and selecting the Visual C# for as per your need. Selecting the empty website because I want to create from the bottom, from the starting. I don't want any code from. there. Second part, I'm creating the master page because with the master page, I'm creating the unique layout for the related pages that will work with the master page. So here we should know what is the master page. SP.NET Master Page allow you to create a consistent layout for the pages in your application. A single master page defines the look and feel and standard behavior that you want all the pages or group of pages in your application. Now we have seen that we are created the master page, and we included the master page while creating the other ASPX page. So automatically header and footer part is populating, means header and footer part is coming from the master page, and middle part content placeholder we are just placing there, and we are getting the data. Here how we creating the SPX, home.spx, dashboard.spx, about.spx, and contact.spx. As per your need, you can give the name and create the page. Right click on the website name in your solution explorer, that will appear in the next right side. Add new item, select web form, change the name as per your need. Checkbox, that click on place in the place code in separate file, means we are placing the .cs file in the separate file. Next, select the master page. If you are using the master page, created the master page for the layout, so we can select the master page. Next, download HTML template as per your website design requirement. So just in Google, just search the HTML template, Bootstrap HTML template. So you will get the too many links. Download the any HTML template and integrate the HTML template in your website. Follow the video for tutorial. I already shown you that how to integrate the template, HTML template in your website. So it's completed. Thank you for watching.